Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do simple addition in an 8086 emulator. So let's start from here. So for the first thing we type move x comma 0001 move bx move bx comma 0002. So what is the meaning of move x comma 001? It is nothing but to move this data 0001 in the register AX, and the same applies here to move this value into the register BX. So we have to remember that 0001, whenever we assign such numbers or values to a register, it should always end with H. Same implies over here. Okay, now I hope you understood the meaning of move AX, 001 and move BX, 002. Then add AX, BX. So what does this operation add AX, BX does is, first it adds AX and BX. It adds the values of AX and the values of BX, then put the result in AX. So, and last you should end with int display 03. So this is the program to add two numbers. So you might get a doubt. We also put a semicolon. What does the semicolon identify over here? Here semicolon is nothing but whenever you put a semicolon and write something, it's taken as what? It is nothing but a comment. So you no need to put the semicolons. If you want to write a comment, then you need to put a semicolon. What is a comment? The comment is nothing but just addressing this thing in words. So what are you doing? You're giving a value to a AX register. So you can write for your reference, assigning a to AX, assigning a value to AX register. These are taken as comments, and the same goes over here. So assigning a value to a BX register. So this is the program. So now we finish this. You don't need to put this comments over here. It's not necessary. You can just leave it like this, or you can erase it. So now we have to run this program. So emulate. We get such type of window. Then before that, I'll show you our result is in AX. So I'm going to emulate it first, then run it. Custom function, you can define interrupt and the memory. Okay, done. And you can see the result in AX, that is 03. So we can see 03 in AX register. Why in AX? Because we have the value in AX. And if you observe BX, there is 0, 2. Why is there 0, 2 in BX? The 0, 2 is there in BX because you have assigned a value 0, 2 in BX. 0, 0, 0, 2. 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay. So now how did this actually perform? Here it performed in this way: 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 2. So you're adding this both, and you know the result is 0, 0, 0, 3. And the same result you have got over here. See, 0, 3, 0, 3 over here. So this is a program, a simple program, just how to add two numbers. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like it and also do subscribe it. Thank you.